Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on building a 12-column grid in Figma in just 5 minutes. We begin by directing your attention to your browser, where you will navigate to the Figma website. Once the page loads, you will see Figma's homepage with all its design features waiting for your exploration. After arriving at the Figma website, guide your focus toward the top right-hand corner of the page. There you will find an option labeled Log In. Go ahead and click on that button to move forward with accessing your Figma account. This initial action brings the Figma user interface to a state where it is ready to accept your credentials. Following the click, a login modal or page will appear offering different ways to sign in. In this case, you are encouraged to click on the Continue with Google option. This method is particularly convenient if you have a Google account you already use regularly, as it streamlines the login process without the need for additional password management. After selecting the Google login option, your next move is to choose the specific Google account that you want to use to sign in. Simply click on the account you prefer from the list of available options. This step ensures that you have seamless access to all of your projects and designs securely authenticated through your Google account. Once you have successfully logged in, it is time to get into your project workspace. Navigate directly to your project where you wish to add the grid. Once you are in your project, your focus will shift to setting up your frame within the design file. Start by adding a frame to your project canvas. The frame component acts as your working area and a container in which you will organize your design elements. With your frame in place, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the interface. Within the Properties panel, look for the section labeled Auto Layout. This powerful feature helps you arrange objects within your frame automatically. It provides you with flexibility when designing and ensures that your layout adapts dynamically to changes. The next step is to activate the grid settings that will allow you to create a structured alignment for your design. In the Auto Layout properties, you will see a button labeled Grid Beta. Click on this button. It activates an experimental grid feature that brings a new level of visibility to your design layout. After clicking the Grid Beta button, shift your focus to the newly appeared grid options. Within these options, look for the label Grid. This section allows you to further customize your layout settings. Once you have found the grid section, your final task is to add 12 columns to the grid. Input the number 12 as the precise count of columns you wish to see evenly distributed across your frame. By following these steps, you have successfully created a 12-column grid that serves as a foundation for visually balanced and responsive design. Each step is designed to ensure that your workflow remains efficient and your grid setup in Figma is correctly established, allowing you to design with precision and clarity. Enjoy the process as you refine your overall design projects using this structured layout system in Figma.